pallets. Ooh, there's a line of people.
You see anything you like?
Everything.
What do you see?
There's a piano here.
A piano.
Some baby stuff.
Okay.
Kitchen appliances. Lots of goodies.
What brand?
Midea.
Okay.
So it's like air conditioners. Could be, yeah, just all sorts of like Lowe's type.
Down in here.
Way down there. I see the brand.
Okay.
I can feel it. It's got good energy.
Okay.
There she is. She's a beaut. Total mystery box today.
It's a good one. Feel good about it. Saw something very special in the bottom, so we'll show you guys when we get back. It's gonna be sweet.
Let's go home.
We just got home with this mystery box of Amazon returns. We paid $500 for it, so let's see what's inside.
Here you go, sir.
Red pill. Ready?
Open her up.
Oh, it's a convenient little flap here. All right. Let's see what we got. Got some big ones to start off
Number
here.
1.
Here you go.
Is it heavy? Oh,
Kinda.
not really. Oh, wow. Okay.
The big old muffler.
It's a big part. I think car parts are really attracted to us. I don't know. It's actually a pretty easy sell. Car parts are good. They're just not as much fun to open, but they're still good.
The car part pallet here.
No. Ooh.
Luggage.
Okay. Luggage.
Ben Sherman.
Nice.
Like your
Sweet.
standard, what you'd see at TJ Maxx, but
Yeah.
luggage is
dirty.
expensive, a little dusty from the box, but
Yeah.
looks pretty good. All right. Smaller one here. Ninja. Doesn't seem like it's all in there.
No, it does. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Okay. This is one thing we saw that we were like, oh, sweet. That'll be easy to
Yeah,
sell.
like, oh, that's a $100 item, but if it's just the top of it.
Oh no! It's
yeah.
just the cup.
And it's used too. Is there even a blade in there?
Come on. No, yeah, there's a blade, but
Just the top. That's a bummer. That was the big.
who does that?
Sometimes it happens with pallet stuff. A lot of these are returns and sometimes they're really used. So.
Yep.
Before we get any further into the video, we want to talk about today's video sponsor, Care Of.
Care Of is a subscription supplement service that makes it easy to stick to a consistent vitamin routine.
I don't know if you guys are like me, but when I go to pick out vitamins from the store, I feel super overwhelmed because I have no idea what I really need. So the cool thing about Care Of is that you can take an actual quiz on their site to let them know everything about you personally, and then they tell you what you should be taking.
They make a little like plan book for you. It's really cool. So on the back it tells me what is in my little package and why. It's pretty awesome. And then they send you these cute little things like this. It says, "Hi Jamie, this is my personal vitamins are in this. One of these per day."
Hi, Sarah.
Yeah, so
And it has 4 vitamins in here, which is so cool, and that's based off of the quiz that I took. So for instance, like mine has iron, vitamin C, rhodiola, and a prebiotic plus in it. I personally have been really loving these because I've always needed extra iron in my diet. I've been low on iron my whole life, but I really struggle to take an iron supplement because they make me so nauseous. This is the first iron pill I've ever taken that doesn't actually make me sick.
I have the rhodiola in mine also, which helps me just be a little less stressed. So it's pretty
That is
awesome.
for stress and mood.
Yes. Another really cool feature of Care Of is that they have an app and it will actually notify you each day when to take your vitamins. I always forget, so having that notification on your phone is really helpful. So head on over to takecareof.com and take their quiz to find out what vitamins are recommended for you. And if you use our discount code, you get 50% off your first order.
So we will leave that link below, so go ahead and check that out, but let's get back into the video.
Got another Ninja here.
Boy, maybe it's the other part.
Maybe it's the bottom of it. That would be nice. It's a beautiful spring day in Michigan. It's nice and warm, 40 degrees, so.
A little chilly. All right. So this looks like it's there, but definitely very, very used.
This
Like-
very, I bet someone, so sometimes also with Amazon returns, they return their old broken stuff
Like
and keep the new one, so.
I think because people realize like that this is a thing and that Amazon doesn't really check their stuff. That is
Don't do that,
bad.
please.
Don't do that.
No good.
Be
no
a good person.
Couple more. I got a lot of bigger boxes
What's
here.
that say?
I don't know.
One door cage trap. Oh boy.
We have a rodent problem around here. Got some possums and some raccoons. Oh yeah.
We do.
Which, that's exactly what it is. It's a new live trap.
At least it doesn't have blood on it.
I think
or
I
anything.
paid like 40 or 50 bucks for ours, so
Yeah.
to give someone a good discount, we'll probably sell it for 30.
Yeah.
But there you go.
All right. Super random, but everything sells. Oh man, super lightweight. Okay, we got Tupperware.
Well, it's like a cat food
Yeah.
box or something.
Yep.
Okay. All right. We got here.
Nothing super high ticket yet, but it all adds up.
Yep. We get all our pallets from GRP Liquidations. They have a really awesome new place down in Dorr, Michigan. And what I like is that he doesn't cherry pick the pallets. They come right off the truck and he sells them, puts prices on them.
He's a super trustworthy guy. I know a lot of people out there have gotten scammed by pallet places, so if you are in Michigan, we highly recommend checking them out. Whoa. What is this?
It's like
oh, it's a
floating
shelf.
shelf, but
Nice.
it's like a triangle.
Two of
here.
them.
Two of them.
That's different.
All right, this is a heavy one. Very
Whoa.
heavy. Why is it so heavy?
Whoa, smart. Oh yeah, you better get that. Holy smokes.
Smart dehumidifier with pump. Cube.
Cube. Okay. Should I look up, see how much that guy retails for?
Yeah, we'll look this one up on our Amazon app. It's really easy to look up the retail price of things just by taking out your Amazon app, taking a picture of the barcode or scanning it, and it pops right up. This one looks like a dehumidifier, which we have really good luck selling, actually, especially now that the warmer weather is coming.
Yeah.
This one looks like it's meant to drain into a floor drain, but I'm opening it to make sure it's there and make sure it's brand new.
Okay.
What do we got?
We got $329 for that.
That's what's up. Yeah.
That's a good one.
It's all still in plastic, you can see. So a lot of these, when they're in really good shape, we just kind of leave them in the box. We'll offer a return policy if we sell them locally, but that one's brand new. So
Yep. This would actually be a really good eBay item that I could probably get the highest dollar amount for on eBay. It'll cost me a little bit to ship, especially because it's so heavy, but it's worth it because I can definitely get more on eBay selling this than on Facebook Marketplace.
Yep. So we can probably get $200 for it, pay for almost half of our pallet with just this item.
I bet I can get more than that on eBay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
$250 probably.
Yeah. So there you go, half our pallet right here.
Yep. Ooh, a large.
Cast iron,
Oh,
Dutch
my
oven.
goodness, that was heavier than I was expecting. Sometimes they're not what you think though, so let's just check it out. But I think that's cast iron, whatever that is. Okay, these knives, I always give them a shout out because they are the best, but we'll link them below if you're interested. They are perfect for opening pallets and boxes, and you can get a pack of like 100 of them.
Yeah, it looks like it's still in the packaging, so we're not gonna take it out, but brand new Dutch oven,
Yeah,
very heavy. So
that's nice.
that stuff's expensive, the cast iron.
Yeah, $100.
$100, there you go.
Yeah, cool.
Sweet. I really don't know how they categorize these boxes. They're so random.
Okay, this is like a fancy light fixture,
Ceiling
I
light
think.
fixture.
Ooh, very modern.
Yeah, if you want to get rid of your boob lights and go real high tech, modern.
You can't say boob on the internet, can
Sure I
you?
can.
It's a mop. Looks
Used
mop.
Used mop. There you go.
Careful.
They didn't clean good enough for them or something here.
Or they gave us their old one.
Yeah.
Well, maybe not. That looks
Yeah,
pretty used.
That's used. Can't sell that, but
Man. All right.
that's all right. That's what usually we find that like 25-ish% of items are either broken or unsellable like this.
Yep.
So, yeah.
That's okay though, because you pay such a low price for them that there is still profit to be made because everything adds up. So I'm not worried yet. Baby grip. Oh, it's kind of heavy though. You got it?
Yep, I got it.
Okay.
Little bassinet here, it looks like.
Some of those can be so expensive, like
Yeah.
hundreds.
Let's find out. Come on down.
All right, thank you.
All right, so we got a bassinet, play yard, sleeper.
Yep.
There's a bunch of stuff. Yes, and like Sarah said, these can be $100 up to $300, so let's find out. This one looks brand new in packaging. Looks like maybe the box is just damaged here, which is sometimes why they put them on pallets, but
Okay. Looks like these retail, they range, so it depends on exactly which one it is, but 135, so.
Sweet.
Yeah.
135 bucks.
Okay. Baby Breeza. So this is a bottle cleaner.
Let's make sure it's
in there.
not used.
Not
Yeah, it's there.
super used. Looks slightly used, maybe.
Well,
no.
maybe open box.
Yeah, this
It's
looks
still in
okay.
plastic, just open box. So
Yeah. Oh,
baby
what's
bottle
that,
cleaner.
though? Like,
Ooh,
got a bunch of junk down in there.
yeah.
Getting down. This was a little bit smaller of a pallet, some bigger items, which I like because it's less overwhelming to sell through when you only have 20 or 30 items versus having like 200 small items. So I like these pallets that have a little bit bigger items on them.
All right, I'm gonna get down the one I'm most excited about. I saw it as I was tying it down. We didn't see it when we picked out the pallet, but this is awesome. Here we go. The wall.
No way.
The prize of the pallet. DeWalt miter saw,
Whoa, it's never been opened.
unopened. These can be like $200 up to $600, so I think we should find out, don't you?
Yep, let's
All
look
right.
her up. Here's the item number right there.
Okay.
Hey.
329, so mid-range DeWalt chop saw. Sweet.
Sweet.
That's good.
That's a good one.
Double high fives.
So something like this, we can definitely get probably 70 to 80% of retail value, especially because it's unopened. We'll sell it locally.
Well-known, trusted brand.
Yeah.
People want this stuff.
This is a good
And
one.
they don't want to pay full price for it. So
Right.
yeah, that's definitely at least half the pallet right there.
Nice.
250 bucks, what do you think, at least?
Yeah, that's a good
Sweet.
one. That's better than your saw.
Solid. I know, I have a DeWalt saw, but I got the bottom of the line one, so it's kind of sad to see some of this stuff go sometimes. But
Yeah.
what is this?
I don't know. A swing?
Baby swing?
Yeah.
An egg?
An egg.
Egg baby swing?
Nice.
Cool. Looks new.
Yeah.
Interesting. Sun Joe.
Oh boy. Sunjo. Okay, so we have had this brand before on pallets, and it's been, I think it was like a leaf blower, so it's probably some sort of equipment or something. So let's see what we got.
Yeah, it was a leaf sucker, actually.
Oh yeah, leaf vacuum.
Leaf vacuum, yes.
Yes.
This one. Whoa.
Okay, what is it?
It's a electric power washer. Here, let's show them.
Oh, cool. Oh, I think we got the same brand before of a power washer.
Oh no. Oh.
What is it?
Oh, it's no, it's not. Okay. It's busted.
What?
Yep. Shoot.
Oh no!
Looks like here, it looks
it's
like,
like
a
a
rototiller. Electric rototiller.
Why do you think it's busted?
I mean, I wouldn't think an electric rototiller would work well anyways. So, it's a cheaper, I think it's a cheaper product, cheaper brand, but it's busted. So, that's a bummer because that probably was
Man.
at least a $100 item.
Yeah, okay.
So, like we said, some of this stuff's broken sometimes. That's just how it goes.
Yep.
So,
That's okay.
all right, last
Our
one.
last item.
Very exciting. Woo!
It's a cube.
Cube storage.
Cube storage.
Some
Classic.
shelves. Probably missing some parts too. So,
No, stop.
now we'll see, huh?
No, they're all
No,
there.
it's all there. Okay.
So that DeWalt saw definitely saved our pallet today because that is a huge chunk of our initial investment that will get covered. But then we had some other really great items too that were $200 or $400. So
Yeah, that smart dehumidifier.
yep.
You know, I do think, unfortunately, with all the broken items, we probably will make a few $100 profit. We may double our money, but
Reselling is definitely a numbers game. Some of these pallets we have done extremely well with, and other ones we've barely made any money. But once you average them all out, you do pretty well at it. We definitely believe in pallets as a way of reselling for ways to get out of debt, to make ends meet, or even to start investing.
so I think even, you know, with this pallet, let's say we only make a $200-300 profit. There's only, you know, 10 to 20 items we're going to be listing, so it's really not much of our time. That's still going to be a pretty good wage. I would say $25+ per hour for doing this. So, I mean, really, even though there's a lot of junk and stuff to deal with, it is a good side hustle. We really believe in it.
Yeah, and if you're doing 2, 3, 4 of these a month, you know, then you can make that extra $1,000 a month. And what could that do for you or your family in a year, you know? So pallets are really fun to go through and a great way to resell, especially if you're starting to get into reselling or if you're really looking for a way to make extra income.
So if you're interested in knowing how to buy pallets, how to sell them, how to list them, how to ship stuff on them, we have a whole playlist. Go check that out. I'll link it below.
We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.